Hi, and what's up? Let's make a smoothie for breakfast, and it's going to be so easy to make. So I'm going to be using mango because mango are in season and they are just too sweet. They are very sweet, yeah. So I'll not be adding any sweetener because my mango is sweet. So to get started, I'm going to add in a little bit of milk. And here I have 3 mangoes, so I'm going to add that as well in my blender. Mangoes are my favorite fruit because they are always and forever very delicious. Once I have every mango in my blender, I'm going to cover and blend. When you notice that your smoothie is a little bit too thick, you can add a little bit of milk. Blend. My smoothie is ready. And over here I have my mason jar. I'm going to remove the lid. See how thick my mango smoothie is. This is going to be delicious. My smoothie is going to keep me full until lunchtime, and I can't wait to have my first sip. So good. So I hope you try out the recipe and make for yourself this amazing smoothie for your breakfast, or if you're fasting, it is the best. So catch you on my next one. Bye.